Hi, I'm Michael Webb on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. Let's go ahead and make a rabbit. First thing you want to do is make a diagonal fold from point to point, like so. Make a good firm crease. And you're going to open that up and make your kite base. So fold your edges onto your baseline. Now you want to take this bottom triangle here and flip it up, matching it with the bottom of these folds. And you're going to take that and you're going to, about 1 centimeter up from the bottom, you're going to make a pleat fold back down. And when you flip it over, you'll bring that back up, matching it to your baseline, and bring your top corner down so that both of your points meet each other right there. Now take this and fold it in half. Now this front is going to make the ears, so what you want to do is just pull these up till they're about like so, and make a good crease, and taking a pair of scissors, go ahead and just cut down the middle, and you can kind of curl them a bit, and let's get that just a little bit more. There we go. And fold them, and those are going to make your ears. Now this is a bit of a trick, but what you want to do is along here you're going to kind of make somewhat of a crescent with your thumbs just by gently creasing the paper. You don't want to make a fold, but you just sort of want to bring it inward like so, and do that on both ends. Get it to kind of push up about as far as you can get it. Make sure they stay in, and that sort of forms a front leg and a back leg. And there you have a rabbit.